Hi, and welcome to the business news update on the News Chronicle. My name is Ken Ibene. Now, we have firstly, we have PZ Cousins Nigeria converts $34.2 million debt into equity. Now we have that's PZ Cousins Nigerian PLC has made a strategic move, converting $34.26 million of its outstanding debt into equity. Now, the company initially secured a $40.26 million loan in June 2022 to manage operating costs amid currency shortages. However, the sharp devaluation of the naira between 2023 and 2024 put immense pressure on its finances. Now, this conversion is seen as a critical step to stabilize operations and also enhance financial sustainability. We also have Naira's strongest start in a decade brings about hope and caution. Now, the naira has kicked off 2025 with its biggest surge in 13 years. Now, rising 9% since December, and it jumped from 1,662 naira to 1,509 naira per dollar, marking the strongest performance among African currencies. Now, January alone saw a 4% increase, a level that has not been seen since 2012. The question remains, will this rally last, or will the market forces pull the naira back? Well, experts warn of cautious optimism. Also, we have OpenAI rejects Musk's multi-billion-dollar bill. Now, Elon Musk's $97.4 billion bill to acquire OpenAI's non-profit company has been turned down. Surprisingly, OpenAI's legal team dismissed it, stating that the proposal was not in the best interest of their mission. Now, this decision fuels speculation about Elon Musk's next move and also OpenAI's future direction. So, to read more, visit www.thenews-chronicle.com, and also you can like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time.